Okay, let's create an ad using ClickMissile. Creating ads in ClickMissile is as easy as creating pages or posts. So if we just go over to the ClickMissile section here and click on Create New Ad, and then the Create New Ad page will come up. I'm just going to enter a title. So I'm just going to call this a demo ad, and I'm going to do a 336 by 280 AdSense here. So that's what I'm going to call it. And I've got some ad code which I created earlier from AdSense. I'm just going to grab that and I'm just going to paste that into my ad box. And I'm just going to press publish, and that ad is now done and ready for us to use. Okay, so here we are on the front page of our blog, and we're just going to find a post into which to insert our ad. This one will do. So we'll just have a look at that post. And here it is, and as you can see, there's no ads in there. So what we're going to do is just zip in there and edit that post. And when we get into the post editing page, we'll be able to see the ClickMissile Ads button. So we're just going to scroll down, make a little bit of space here just to insert our ad, and then I'll click on the ClickMissile Ads button. Here we can select our ad. Here's the one that we created earlier. I'll just click on it and we'll set an alignment, say float left. And then we'll insert the ad, and the short code for the ad is inserted. Let's update that. And then what we're going to do, once that's updated, is preview the ad. So let's view the post. And what we should see is our post, as we saw it before, but now it has the ad inserted. Very easy and quick to do.